Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we have one of your favorite tools, hydraulic knife. And we are going to have both flavors, the cutting one and the stabbing one. And today we have also force sensor because you asked. So we are going to see how hard it's to cut and stab with these knives. And first I thought that we are going to do something